Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about hair. And before all the boys leave the video, I want to tell you guys that you also can use this method if you're facing hair fall or if you just want to promote hair growth. Before we start, I want to tell everybody that's got curly hair, please don't brush your curly hair if you're going to keep it as curly. As long as you're styling it, it's fine, but do not brush it out, okay? Why you shouldn't brush curly hair is because it's got really less moisture compared to straight hair. So when you brush it out, everything leaves with the brush. So please stop curling. So please stop brushing your curly hair. In today's video, we're going to be using fermented rice water. How to make the rice water is it has to be fermented at least for 12 hours. So let's say I know that I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. I ferment the rice tonight. So what you have to do is take an airtight container, add about 3 to 4 spoons of rice and a cup of water. And the amount of rice you use depends on the length of your hair. I've got pretty long hair, so I use 3 to 4 spoons of rice. Please don't waste rice because you can't use this rice again because it's already fermented, right? You have to throw it away. So please use cautiously. Second step would be how I apply it and how I style my curly hair after the wash. I'm not going to be using any kind of product, curl cream and hair gel, and no diffuser. If you want to know how I use the rice water and what kind of effects it has on my hair, keep watching the video.
If you have an old spray bottle, it's easier to apply the rice water. I don't like just rinsing my hair with rice water because all the water just leaves and then it doesn't really stay on your hair. So what I do is I transfer the rice water into a spray bottle and I slowly first put it on my roots and then the entire hair. Also ignore the bruise on my neck. It's because of my nails. I bruise really fast and quickly. I don't know, it's weird, but that's what happened. Anyways, we're gonna continue adding the water into the spray bottle and we'll slowly apply it on our hair and massage it in. If you don't have claws like me, I suggest to use a comb to part your hair so the rice water is spread evenly. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient, you guys. This is important. As I'm showing in the video, spray it on your roots and then just massage it in slowly. If you're thinking, why can't I just rinse my entire hair with rice water? It's not really a good idea because you have to keep it on for an hour at least. So if you do that, your entire hair gets damp and then there'll be water running down your face and your neck everywhere. So it's kind of messy. So I like this better. And it also lets the water, stay in your roots and get into your roots. So I like this better. So I prefer this method. After you're done with the roots, if you do not have the patience to do the same with the rest of your hair, you can rinse it off, but then again, I'm warning you that it's going to be quite messy. So what I would do is spray. If you have a bigger spray bottle, it's much easier and faster, but this is all I have, so I'm going to use this. This will take about another 5 minutes. If you have long hair, it'll take more time. I think for me it took about 5 to 10 minutes to do the entire thing. So after you're done, just tie it up and leave it on for an hour at least. You can wash your hair like you normally do. Now we're going to start by parting our hair. I'm going to use finger curling method to curl my hair. I mean, my hair is already curly, but this keeps it more nicer and neater and there is no frizz.
What for me?
You can always brush your hair out before you start curling, but I do it as I go on. As the name suggests, we're going to be using our fingers to curl our hair. After you roll it up, when you're going to leave the curl down, please remember to leave it against your face, curl it down against your face. You can always use a round brush to curl your hair, but this gives you smaller curls. I know it looks like it takes a ton of time, but it really doesn't. You just have to get the hang of it. I think I took about 10 minutes to finish the entire hair, and I did do small curls. So if you have shorter hair than me, or if you're a guy with like really short hair, like 1 or 2 inches of hair, this is super easy. Please stop brushing your curly hair. You can keep your curls really, nice and with this method, and no diffuser, no curl cream, and no hair gel. I'm not saying you shouldn't use any kind of curl cream or hair gel or anything of that sort, but I've seen like a bunch of videos where these girls with like really nice curly hair and they have like million products, and I don't have the patience to keep track of all of them. So this is just easier for me, and I thought it'll help a lot more people. So here is the video. But I also believe in not spending unnecessarily. No, I don't believe in that. I do spend unnecessary money on food and clothes, but that's not the point here. This is about hair. So we're gonna try to reduce our cost. That's what my videos are about. So this is like a loophole to have nice curly hair. If your hair has a lot of volume and length, like my hair, you will probably have to redamp your hair, like with just take a spray bottle and spray some water, and then you can start curling again. You can clearly see the difference between the two. It reduces the frizz completely. Now go ahead and repeat it on the other side. This is how it looks after it's done. I usually let it air dry because I don't have to go anywhere and it's locked down. I'm at home, so I let it air dry. Otherwise, if you're using a hair dryer, if you're going to use a hair dryer, use the cold setting. Do not use hot hair. I like to straighten the front of my hair because I've got really short bangs. I cut fringes into my hair last lockdown. So I like how it frames my face as well. So I do that. You can do it if you want to, otherwise no. Also, I did go a little overboard with the straightening at the back. But you can see the curls when I lift the top layer off. This is how they turned out. I think this is a great method to avoid frizz. When I don't do this, my hair is really frizzy. And I think it turned out great without having to use any kind of product.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to know more about rice water and its benefits, I've mentioned a bunch of information in the description box below. Please go and read it up. And before you leave, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.